Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard edits on Alight Motion. Start by setting project resolution and frame rate, then import assets and scrub the timeline. Create markers at each cut point and isolate clips on separate layers. Use split and trim tools for clean cuts, then apply position keyframes to maintain motion continuity. Always zoom timeline for frame-accurate edits and save versions frequently to avoid losing progress. Next, focus on cutting and timing to sell your hard edits. Zoom into the timeline and set exact frame markers before splitting clips. Remove gaps with ripple delete so the pacing stays tight and consistent. When changing speed, preview motion and toggle frame blending for smoother transitions. Use snapping to align cuts with beats or action, and nudge clips by one frame for micro adjustments that make edits feel crisp and intentional. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a consistently fresh car while you edit on the go. It pairs perfectly with long editing sessions and coffee breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider tossing one in your cart for the commute. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Now refine transitions and effects to enhance your hard edits without softening them. Choose short transition presets or pure cuts for punchy impact, avoiding long dissolves that dilute energy. Add motion blur or directional blur selectively to accentuate fast moves, and use masks to hide mismatched action across cuts. Keep effects subtle, stack adjustments on separate layers, and preview at full speed so timing and visual weight remain consistent across the edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.